So now let's start building an image classifier in Python. But before that, we need to install and import TensorFlow and Keras. Then we will import the dataset that we are going to use for this image classifier. And then we will normalize our data. And after that, we will start creating neural network with Keras. First, we are importing some basic libraries. We are importing NumPy, we are importing pandas, and we are importing matplot to visualize our image dataset. Now, before importing TensorFlow, you need to install it. To install, you have to go to your command prompt. So first press Windows R. It will open the Run dialog box. Then you have to write CMD. CMD stands for command prompt, and then click on OK. Here write conda install TensorFlow. Then press enter. It may take some time. In my system, the TensorFlow is already installed. Then we need to upgrade the TensorFlow version to 2.0. Since we will be using TensorFlow 2.0 for this course, to upgrade it, you have to write this statement: pip space install, then upgrade TensorFlow equal to 2.0. So download this Jupyter notebook, copy this command and run it in your command prompt. If you are facing any error, then you first have to install the pip. You can use this command to install pip. And if you are still facing some error, then you have to correct your environment variables. You will find a separate video about how to set up your environment variables in the appendix section of this course. So remember, first run this command, conda install TensorFlow, then install pip, and then run this command to upgrade your TensorFlow to 2.0 plus version. Now, if you have successfully installed TensorFlow, we need to import it. We are importing TensorFlow as TF, and we are also importing Keras from TensorFlow. Now you can check the version of your installed TensorFlow using this command. So for Keras, you can write keras dot _version _. Just run this, and you can find that the Keras that is installed in my system is 2.2.4. To check the version of TensorFlow, we can call the same attribute. So tf dot _version _. You can see that the version is 2.0.0. So just make sure that the installed version on your PC is greater than 2.0. In the next video, we will import the dataset that we are going to use for our first classification example.